So this build features the parts that you see here. Unfortunately, I forgot to check the camera before I started building the system, and I didn't capture any of it. So I will show you the finished product, and I will present the benchmarks and tell you a little bit about my experience building this special edition Black Panther computer. So when I decided to build this, I wanted to build a mid-tier video editing capable gaming PC that was Intel based. Because you guys know my last build was a AMD R9 3900X. I set myself on the goal of building a computer that was around $1,000, but that wasn't quite enough. I wanted to build something that was more theme based, and so I started thinking about that and I chose the Black Panther. That means that I have to pick components that embodies that theme. That led me to the choice of the Hyper 212 Evo Black Edition. I needed a motherboard that would fit the color schemes, the ASRock B 360 Pro for ATX edition, which is black and machine gray. And now for the RAM choice, the ADATA, which won the battle for me, the XPS Gaming X D10, which is black with a nice silver finish. What about the graphics? Well, the EVGA GTX 1070 for the Win Edition fit the build pretty nicely there, with its black and gray tones with a subtle, not over the top blue-black light. So for the processor, the i7 8700 6-core and 12 threads, and its excellent performance in gaming and video editing workloads seemed like it would be a good choice here. For the case, I chose the Fantex Eclipse 400 ATX mid-tower case. I have some familiarity with this case, so I thought this would be a good case, and it fit the color scheme, with it being all black with a window which we could see the work. Now to power this workhorse of a computer, I chose the Thermaltake Smart 600 watt power supply to power this PC. As I said before, it's unfortunate that I didn't capture this journey of me building it, and I failed there, but I promised to do better. After I completed this build, it got me thinking, how am I going to challenge myself in the future? So I decided that I'm going to build an entry-level PC, which is based on me putting together all the hardware as if you had none of this hardware before. And my budget is $600, and I'm going to do it with both a Intel-based PC and an AMD-based PC. So that will be the feature build of my November build. Yeah, I know it's already November and I'm releasing this video, but it's been a long battle to build this PC in the month of October. And I was hoping to get it out just before Halloween, but I didn't quite make it. I hope you forgive me for that. But anyway, I look forward to you enjoying this build and let you get back to the benchmarks and see how well this PC performed. So this has been the Black Panther Edition build. So, thanks for joining us. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and share these videos with your friends. Remember, thank you for joining us again here at High Tech with X. Goodbye.